Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to mention everyone in a Facebook group. Please write if my solution helped you, and if it worked for you. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments, and I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, give me likes. Let's get started. Open Facebook. Then click on the menu in the bottom right corner. Then at the top, we need to switch from the main profile to the page. Click on Home. In the upper left corner, click on your page. Be sure to publish here or photos or videos. Or we can write any text. Next, we open the keyboard and numbers. Here we need to put this hashtag, only it is a dog, and write with you everyone. As soon as we have written it, click Next, Save, and then we can mention everyone in the Facebook group. Write if my solution helped you and if you can do it on your phone or tablet. And if you have any questions, tell me below in the comments, and I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Goodbye.